Did you know that over 70% of organizational change initiatives fail? Do you know why? It is not because of bad strategy or technology, it is because of people. And if you don't have the right change management consultant supporting your project might fail. Over the last 15 plus years, I have helped organizations like Apple, Microsoft, Yale Health University, and others to successfully navigate complex transformations. In this video, I will walk you through four things you need to know. One, what a change management consultant actually does. Two, the questions you need to ask when interviewing a top change consultant. Three, the rates that the best change management consultants charge. And four, the key qualities that separate the best change management consultants from the rest. And if you stick to the end, I will give you access to a free checklist that will help you make choosing the right consultant much easier. What is a change management consultant? It is important for you to know this definition because you will apply this knowledge when interviewing a potential change management candidate. A change management consultant is a professional who helps organizations successfully navigate and implement significant business changes and transformations, such as adopting new technology or processes, restructuring, merging with another company, implementing AI, doing digitization, or a wide range of business changes. And that leads us to this often asked question: what does a change management consultant really do? The primary role of a change management consultant is to focus on the people side of change by developing strategies to minimize resistance and ensure that employees and stakeholders embrace and adopt the new processes, systems, and behaviors. At the end of the day, a change management consultant acts as a bridge between the technical aspect of a change and the human impact, ensuring a smoother transition and increasing the likelihood of a project success. The best change management consultants are the people that are able to hit the ground running right from day one and providing value to the project and to the organization. In practice, this means that the best change management consultant is the one that can effectively do change management designing and also implementing structured but flexible change management strategies. A good change management consultant is able to effectively engage leaders, managers, stakeholders, and employees to build buy in. So, one of the things I look for when interviewing a change management consultant is personality. How personable are they when I am interviewing with them? Another key characteristic is a good change management consultant creates clear communication and messaging around the change. A very good change management consultant is the one that can effectively provide training, coaching, and resources to employees and managers. An effective, really great change management consultant is one that is able to effectively track adoption rates, gather feedback, and connect adoption to business outcomes to help measure success. The best change management consultants should be able to apply a repeatable, scalable, and flexible change management methodology like the one I am currently sharing on my screen. They should be able to apply this flexible methodology for any type of project, program, or initiative. This flexible and scalable change management methodology involves four phases, starting with the assess phase, where the change consultant conducts a wide range of assessments to determine organizational readiness and enablement needs, followed by the develop phase, where the change consultant develops customized strategies, plans, and roadmap for your organization. And then the implement phase is where the change management consultant delivers the respective change management plans and strategies, followed by the normalize phase, where the change consultant helps to normalize and sustain adoption. During the normalize phase, a good change management consultant knows to deliver go live and post go live communications to keep people engaged. A good consultant should be able to deliver sustained support and also education that involves, where needed, provide additional training, additional coaching, do things like office hours where anyone can join a call to ask questions or to seek help. A good consultant should also be following up with change champions, following up with impacted users, as well as following up with stakeholders to gather feedback and implement improvements. Reinforcing changes are another critical aspect of sustenance. That involves recognition, celebrating successes, and implementing initiatives to sustain the new behaviors. A good change management consultant should be effective in tracking adoption, but also connecting adoption to business outcomes. At the end of the day, a good consultant knows to develop and implement the change management transition and handover of the key consulting role to a business as usual resource or team within your organization. Now, let us go over some key questions you should be asking during interviews and before hiring a change management consultant. So, one key question is, what types of change initiatives have you managed before? This is important because you want to ensure you are getting the right change management consultant that has done similar projects in the past to the one that your organization is implementing. Another key question is, what change management framework or methodology do you use and how do you adapt them? This helps you better understand the change management consultant's approach. In addition, even if your organization has a change management methodology, knowing that the consultant has been using scalable as well as flexible change management methodologies allows you to understand that if hired, they can adapt their approach to your organization's methodology. If your organization does not have a change management methodology, then the methodology that the change management consultant uses will play a critical role in change management adoption. Another key question is this: how do you deal with resistance from employees? Oftentimes, I am able to manage resistance when I communicate the WIFM. WIFM is WIIFM, what's in it for me. During a time of change, people are often thinking about what's in it for them or how they are impacted. And if you have a change management consultant that has experience in communicating what's in it for people, it helps increase adoption. Another key question you want to ask the consultant is this: can you share examples of similar business changes from past clients? This is different from the first question, which was asking the consultant, what types of change initiatives have you managed before? This one goes further. It requires the consultant to tell you examples of the types of change projects they've supported that are applicable to the one that your organization is implementing. And then here is one more critical question: how do you measure return on investment and success? These questions will help you separate surface level change management consultants from the best change management consultants who can deliver results. Now, you might be asking, so what is the cost or the rate of a change management consultant? The cost of hiring one of the best change management consultants ranges between $200 and $450 an hour. And that varies depending on the change management consultant's expertise. Are you hiring a senior change management consultant, a mid-level change management consultant, or a junior level change management consultant? It also depends on the complexity of the change as well as other variables. But here is what I normally tell leaders: you want to look at a change management consultant's fees as an investment. The reason why is because badly managed change will cost far more in lost productivity, lost ROI, which is return on investment, disengagement from impacted users, and resistance. So hiring the best change management consultant, even if you have to pay at a higher rate, you want to consider that as an investment in sustainable success and a higher level of return on your investment in the project. So here's the bottom line: choosing the right change management consultant for your project or for your organization comes down to four things: experience, methodology, people skills, and measurable results. To make this process easier for you, I have created a free checklist you can download today. It outlines exactly what to look for in the best change management consultant, the right questions to ask when interviewing this person or organization, and how to evaluate them step by step. Click on the link below where it says free checklist to choose the best change management consultant or lead. And you can also contact me directly using the link below where it says contact OB. If your organization is preparing for a transformation or going through a transformation, let us discuss how I can help your change succeed. And don't forget to like this video, as that really lets us know you got value from it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more content like this one.